Today guys, we're going to solve work problems. So our example is Jane, Paul and Peter can finish painting the fence in 2 hours. If Jane does the job alone, she can finish it in 5 hours. If Paul does the job alone, he can finish it in 6 hours. How long will it take for Peter to finish the job alone? So let's give this a problem a try. Okay, to solve work problems, we have formula to follow. And this is the formula. Together. Okay, T1 represents the time for the first person to finish alone the job. T2 represents the time for the second person alone to finish the job. T3 represents the time for the third person alone to finish the job. And T here is for all of them together. When they work together, this is the time that they can finish the job. Okay, in our case, we have been given that for Jane, it is 5 hours. For Paul, it is 6 hours. And for Peter, we don't know yet. Let's represent it as X. And together, two hours. So let's substitute all these given numbers or given hours to this equation. We'll get 1 over, which is Jane, which is 5, plus 1 divided by 6 for Paul, plus 1 over unknown, which is for Peter. And for all of them together to work, they can finish in 2 hours, which is 1 over 2. Now, in order to solve the problem, this equation is to be multiplied by the least common denominator, which is 30x. So I multiply this 30 on both sides, here and in this side. 30x times 1 over 5 will be is equals to 30x over 5, plus 30x times 1 over 6 is equal to 30x over 6, plus 30x over 1 equals to 30x over 2. Now 30x over 5 is equals to 6x, plus 30x over 6 is equals to 5x, plus 30x over 1, over x, sorry, this is x, is it? Yeah, this is equal to 30, and this is equal to 15x. So we have this equation. So let's solve the value of x. 6x plus 5x is equals to 11x, plus 30 is equals to 15x. Okay, so let's solve the value of x. 30 is equals to 15x minus 11x. So 30 is equals to 4x, and then x is equals to 30 over 4, which is equal to 7.5 hours. So this is the time Peter can finish the job alone. Thanks for watching guys. See you on the next video.